In Tkinter, there is the get, the place, and the pack layout managers. In this video, we are going to see the APAVE layout manager. So we are going to run a script from Python, a TCL script that uses that layout manager and also creates other widgets called mega widgets. The idea behind the APAVE layout manager is that it combines between the get and the pack layout manager, and it also positions each widget according to its neighbors. For example, this new widget is positioned in relation to its top neighbor or its left neighbor. We are going to run the scripts available in this repository. It is a test script available in test folder. It is called test2-pav.tcl, but we are not going to extract or use only the script. We are going to follow the structure described in this repository. So you download the archive, the 3 archives described here, the test folder or the archive of the test script, the APAVE, the actual layout manager or the source code for the layout manager, and al team or ali team, a set of teams. After extracting the archive, you put the folders in your code folders. Here, the team folder or the teams folder, the APAVE, the archive corresponding to the APAVE layout manager will be named PAV, so you just add the A at the beginning. And the APAVE test script, you must have or you must keep the structure as it is, because in the test we are going to run, it will need this structure to execute or to run correctly. What does our test script or our Python source code? It simply imports Tkinter, create a window using to call the source available in the APAVE test folder, tests, and the file itself or the script itself. But in order to run correctly, we did some modification to the script and some addition to our Python installation. In fact, there is a video demonstration that shows you how the script must look like. So for the test script, I commented out this part and I changed the team used so it will look like the one used in the video. They are using the forest dark team, and I also changed the default team to clam. It is also the team used in the video. So you can use this clam team plus use the forest dark team for the colors available in the forest dark team. This is the first modification. The second modification or the second addition I made is regarding the Python installation. When you run the script, it will tell you that there is a missing package or library missing. This is the missing package. It's called table list. So I've showed you in this video how to install TCL. The way I showed you, you can install TCL with a list of batteries included, which means packages already included in your installation. One of the packages is table list, but also the APAVE layout manager, but we are not using it, or our script is not using it. It's using its own, or the script we provided in the source code, or the source code we provided for it. So you copy if you have this package, table list, you copy it and you put it in your Python TCL folder. This is the table list we added. This way now we can run our code. So after adding the library to the Python installation path or to the TCL path installed with Python, now this you can run the code. So this is the resulting interface. All this was created using the APAVE layout manager without combining, in fact, pack and get. These are types of widgets. The question is how to use this layout manager inside Python. For example, like we do with pack or get. Is there a way to do this inside Python? So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.